Well, here we are again. I want to say I'm speechless, but that wouldn't make for an interesting video. I can't believe in 2024 and people are still telling others that their hair isn't professional enough. In a country where most people were inspired to visit because of a man with freeform locks singing One Love, students are being trained but denied the opportunity to grow and advance their skills. This hairstyle that is almost synonymous with the culture, you are denying people working opportunities to be able to earn a living legally. This is what happens when a country doesn't regulate its employers. The same country that in a revolutionary decision banned trade with South Africa because of apartheid is allowing discrimination to happen right on its own soil. All of our national heroes stood up against injustices and stood up for the rights of people. And before you go there, slavery, segregation, stop and frisk were all legal events, but wrong at the core. Never have I ever heard someone come back from a trip to Jamaica and say, that place was great, but they hired some guy with dreadlocks, and Martha and I weren't happy about that, and we could never go back there and spend any of our money on that foolishness. Huh. Guess these hotels also believe that we should still be sitting at the back of the bus. Jamaica needs to stand up for its people and can't let things like this keep going on.